Friends, today error detection is the advanced setting. Basically, we are not using these settings normally. This is the special settings. We already discussed auto escape functions of Panasonic robot in previous videos. We are elaborate this topic in these videos and explain the functions and recovery functions. Function work and details usage of error recovery function. Okay, so today we are covering two topics: how to error recovery functions work and details of the usage of error recovery function. Friends, shown on the screen right sides here, there are the mainly 5 points. First, error occurs. The steps is the very clear of this image. Error occurs, the back stepping, recovery I mean ki the error recovered, and 4 point returning to the point where the error occurred, and 5 restarts. So friends, you feel very easy for these types of error. We are discussed in details. Functions of recover the error automatically when it occurs during the welding or escape to the position for escape recovery. This function can reduce time and workloads for an error recovery. Basic moments. When a weld error occurred, while running a program, the robot make weld error stop. The robot automatically escape the backward and forward to preset the points by mark which had the program by the external inputs. The robot stopped at the marked point or after they execute the specified program and stop the mark points. By external inputs, and robot follow the trajectory of the program and back to the error paused points for the mark point. This robot restart operations. Friends, next slide we describe in details. There are the two switches, back step switch and forward step switch. This switch used by manually as well as PLC control also. This is the very easy functions. Back steps and forward steps describes in this image. Moving directions, there are the P1, P2, P3 and P3 marked at the command, and if you are shown this is the details, this is the very clear how to use this function. There are two external inputs required for back step switch and forward step switch. When you are using back step switch and forward step switch, then suppose you are marked the points P3, the arc command marked, and you want to escape some functions, then select the mark, the back step, select the mark point and R mark of the welding start sites and shift the weld again to error occurred points. And forward steps, the select marked point R mark of the welding end point site and shift to escape error occurred point to welds. After determining the points above, the turn on the external proper switch of the inputs. The error variations of the selections from welding errors or any hold situation, depending on the settings, it can be applicable not only for the welding errors but others too. Escape welding and error occurred points and restart welding from the next stitching points. Friends, I hope this video is useful for you and your knowledge. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you.